So you want an electric car, but your budget is more ramen and dreams than Tesla and stocks. Good news, 2025 has some shockingly good EVs, pun very much intended, that won't drain your wallet.
Oh my god. You have no idea what a huge relief that is.
While some electric cars still cost more than a house in the Midwest, these 5 gems deliver range, tech, and fun without requiring you to sell a kidney on the black market. Ready to drive into the future without crying over car payments? Let's go. The Nissan Leaf is like that one friend who never cancels plans. Reliable, always there, and surprisingly fun. It may not be the fastest EV on the block, but for under $20,000, you get a solid electric hatchback that won't leave you stranded on the side of the road begging for an outlet. The newer models even have semi-decent range, meaning you can finally road trip without meticulously planning your bathroom breaks around charging stations.
I see.
Plus, it's been around forever, so mechanics actually know how to fix it, unlike some newer EVs that require a PhD in computer science just to reset the battery. Ah, the Chevy Bolt, the little EV that could. After some early explosive issues, don't worry, they fixed that. The Bolt is now one of the best cheap electric cars out there. It's got good range, zippy acceleration, and enough space to fit your Costco haul without having to play Tetris with your groceries.
Good.
Even better, since GM decided to discontinue it in 2023 only to bring it back, used Bolts are hitting the market at criminally good prices. This means you can grab a near new EV for way under $20,000 and still feel like you got away with something. Third, Hyundai Kona Electric. The Hyundai Kona Electric is like that indie band nobody talks about. Quietly awesome, underrated, and way cooler than you think. It's got respectable range, a stylish design, and tech that actually makes sense. Seriously, why do some car brands make their infotainment systems feel like hacking into the Pentagon? Even better, it's from Hyundai, which means that legendary warranty might still be active even if you're the second owner.
Whoa.
Free repairs, yes please. Second Mini Cooper SE. If you like your EVs with a side of quirky British personality, the Mini Cooper SE is your car. It's cute, quick, and makes zipping through city streets way more fun than it should be. Sure, the range isn't amazing, but let's be real. This isn't your cross-country road trip car. It's your blast through town and make everyone jealous car.
I'll take it.
Also, the go-kart-like handling. Chef's kiss. You'll be carving corners like a pro, all while smugly enjoying 0 gas stops. First, Fiat 500e. And in the #1 spot, we have the Fiat 500e, a car so small it could probably fit inside a pickup truck's cup holder, yet still somehow manages to be awesome. Why is it the best budget EV? It's dirt cheap. Thanks to depreciation doing its thing, you can find a used 500e for stupidly low prices, sometimes under $15,000. And for that, you get a stylish, peppy little city car that refuses to be boring. Yes, the range is modest, but if you're mostly driving around town, who cares? Plus, parking is a breeze. You could probably fit it into a bike rack. If you've been waiting for EVs to drop in price, congratulations, your patience has paid off. For under $20,000, you can snag an electric car that's fun, functional, and future-proof, all without selling your soul to a car payment. So go ahead, make the switch. Your wallet and the planet will thank you. Like this list? Subscribe for more car tips that save you money, keep you stylish, and make you laugh.